Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Roblox audio or mic music not playing. If Roblox audio isn't working, first check your device's volume and mute settings. Click on the top one to increase your volume, click on the down to decrease your volume. Make sure that your volume is full. After that, restart Roblox on your device. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find Roblox and then swipe it away. After that, restart your phone, then reopen Roblox. This clears temporary glitches. Then, check your in-game settings to ensure sound is enabled. On iPhone, ensure system volume and app volume are both up. Go to your settings and then search for volume, and then make sure that you can also limit your maximum volume if you want to, and make sure that your volumes are all on. After that, on Android, clear cache if needed. After these steps, your music and sounds should be playing normally, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.